What's up everybody with YouTube? How you guys doing? I know you missed us and we're back, and I want to give a special shout out today to one of you guys, which is today's sponsor, USR Auto. Now if you don't know who USR Auto is, they have some of the best lighting options you can find for this chassis or most chassis that they have on their website. So I'm gonna leave the website link down below. Check them out, show them some love, and let them know we sent you. All right guys, so what we got here today is the latest version of the NSX style tail lights. So the first ones that came out had the red lenses, or the red red brake light part. This one is their blacked out clear versions. These are actually pretty freaking sick. I really like these a lot. So gotcha. So we're gonna be throwing these in and showing you how it's done. Alright guys, so in case you've never actually removed your taillights before, it's pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you how. Usually you have one of these here and you're just gonna twist this out. This is the hook for the cargo nets. Twist this out, and if you have any other clips, I don't, but that's all I had. Take those out. I'm gonna bring this back, and it's just gonna be this simple. 8mm bolts that are bolting in the tail light to the frame of the car, and then you unplug the clips. Once you get those bolts unclipped, your tail light is pretty much ready for removal. Bam. You already know I was running the clears, so this is the before on the car. I'm not going to show you the after quite yet, but it's pretty straightforward. Once again, 8mm bolts. Take them out. I'm only running 3. Unclip these. Tail lights will pop right out, and I'm going to show you how to put in the next ones with the resistors. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the new tail light. We're going to run the resistor and the pigtail through the opening. And you're going to put it in place. Make sure your studs match up all the holes. She slides right in. Then we'll take the nuts, we'll lock them in by hand just to make sure that the tail light doesn't back out. For whatever reason, if you move away, you don't want it to fall, hit the floor, and crack. So, all right. So you're gonna take the pigtail. I already did it here, but I'll show you once again. You're gonna take the pigtail that they supply you with. It's already wired up. You're gonna take it. You're gonna put it into where your light bulb would click in. You're gonna push this right back into the hole, hiding the wire, and then just twist and lock it in place. Boom, that's done. So now what you want to do is you want to take your resistor, and pro tip, these get very, very hot, so keep it away from this fabric. What you want to do is put it up here. We got a 3M double-sided sticky tape supplied. Just peel the back, and we're going to stick this up out of the way where it's not touching any of the fabric. You guys see that? Boom, now it's hidden. It'll stay up there with 3M. And this, you can just tuck to the side, the wiring. You're good to go. Then you take your clips, plug them up, just like you normally would. Boom, we are done. You're gonna take this, close it back up. And now let me show you the after. Alright guys, and here's the after look for you guys. Personally, against the carbon trunk and the silver paint, I think it looks really, really good. I might like them better than the all clears. And now let me show you them turned on. Still daylight, so you're not going to get the full effect, but here they go turned on. These are actually what the original ones looked like when they weren't even on. Here's what the flashers look like. And let's show you a combination with them flashing and the lights on. So the resistors, the job of the resistors is to prevent hyper flash. As you can see, they were hyper flashing before, but now I have no hyper flash, and they look good with it on. And it's still daytime, so I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of them when they're running at nighttime. All right, guys, now I'm gonna show you what they look like turned on with the flashers and pressing the brakes. And there you have it, guys. Park lights, brake lights slash turn signals. So it's still really bright out right now. Once it gets darker, I'm gonna come back outside and I'm gonna put the clip right here. Real quick, shout out to USR Auto, otherwise known as Unique Style Racing. You guys are awesome. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Alright guys, I'm gonna have a link down in the description for you, so where you can go to pick up your set of NSX style taillights. These are the version 2s. I prefer them over the version 1s. These ones are pretty dope. So like I said, link down in the description where you can go get yours. Shout out to USR Auto. Thank you guys for sponsoring today's video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.